Welcome back to Inside the Billionaire Lifestyle, Texas's most extravagant homes, Part 2. If you missed Part 1, where we unveiled the top 10 most stunning properties in Florida, you can find the link in the description box below. In this video, we'll turn our focus to Texas as we showcase the top 10 most extravagant homes in the Lone Star State. Stay with us till the end to discover which one captures your imagination. Give Luxo-Life some love and let's continue our journey through the pinnacle of luxury living. 10. 9250 Meadowbrook Drive, Dallas, Texas. Number 10 on our list is the elegant estate at 9250 Meadowbrook Drive in Dallas, Texas. Priced at $15.995 million, this property exudes opulence from every corner. With its grand architectural design and thoughtfully crafted interiors, it's a perfect example of luxurious living. This home is where sophistication meets comfort, creating a space that's as stunning as it is welcoming. Step inside, and you'll be greeted by spacious interiors that flow effortlessly from one room to the next. The design prioritizes both form and function, ensuring that every space feels inviting yet refined. Whether you're hosting a formal dinner or enjoying a quiet evening, this home offers the perfect setting for every occasion. It's the kind of place that makes you feel at ease while surrounded by beauty. The outdoors are just as impressive, with beautifully landscaped grounds that add to the property's charm. Imagine taking a stroll through your garden or enjoying a cup of coffee on the patio as you admire the impeccable surroundings. The attention to detail here is remarkable, creating an outdoor space that feels like an extension of the luxurious interior. 9. 88 West Grand Regency Circle, the Woodlands, Texas. Number 9 takes us to the luxurious estate at 88 West Grand Regency Circle in the Woodlands, Texas. This $19 million property spans an impressive 4 acres, offering an abundance of space and elegance. With over 30,000 square feet of living area, this home is nothing short of spectacular. It's a dream destination for anyone who values grandeur and comfort in equal measure. Inside, you'll find 10 spacious bedrooms and 13 bathrooms, ensuring that there's plenty of room for family and guests alike. Every detail of the design reflects sophistication, creating a home that's as functional as it is beautiful. Whether you're enjoying a quiet evening or hosting a grand event, this estate provides the perfect setting for unforgettable moments. The amenities are truly something to marvel at. Imagine having your own private theater where every movie night feels like a cinematic experience. And for those who love to relax and unwind, the resort-style pool offers the ultimate escape. This property has been designed to cater to your every need, making it a place where luxury and leisure seamlessly come together. 8. 215 Carnarvon Drive, Houston, Texas. Number 8 on our list is the stunning estate at 215 Carnarvon Drive in Houston, Texas. Priced at $22.495 million, this luxurious property spans an impressive 18,695 square feet. With its combination of opulent interiors and expansive outdoor spaces, this estate is designed for those who love to live and entertain in style. It's a home that truly offers the best of everything. Inside, you'll find 6 spacious bedrooms and 11 bathrooms, each crafted with elegance and attention to detail. The living spaces are nothing short of breathtaking, featuring high-end finishes and a layout that flows seamlessly from room to room. Whether it's a quiet evening at home or hosting a large gathering, this estate provides a versatile and sophisticated setting for any occasion. The outdoor areas are where this property truly shines. Designed with entertainment in mind, the estate boasts extensive spaces for hosting events or simply enjoying the beauty of the surroundings. From beautifully manicured grounds to thoughtfully crafted entertainment areas, every inch of this property invites you to relax and make lasting memories with family and friends. 7. 3521 Sentinel Oaks Flower Mound, Texas. Number 7 brings us to the serene and luxurious estate at 3521 Sentinel Oaks in Flower Mound, Texas. Priced at $23 million. This stunning property blends modern design with expansive living spaces to create a home that's as beautiful as it is functional. Nestled in a private and tranquil location, it offers a perfect retreat from the outside world without compromising on style or comfort. The estate's modern design is both sleek and inviting, with every detail carefully considered to reflect sophistication. The expansive living spaces are perfect for both quiet relaxation and lively gatherings, making this home versatile enough to suit any lifestyle. With top-of-the-line amenities throughout, it's clear that no expense was spared in creating this masterpiece of modern luxury. What makes this estate truly special is its sense of privacy and serenity. Surrounded by natural beauty, the property provides a peaceful escape while still offering all the conveniences of a high-end home. It's the ideal setting for those who value a calm, private lifestyle but still want a space that's perfect for entertaining or simply enjoying life's finer things. 6. 4 West Len, Houston, Texas. Number 6 on our list is the exquisite mansion at 4 West Len in Houston, Texas. This newly constructed home, priced at $25.5 million, is a masterpiece of modern architecture and luxury. With 17,808 square feet of space, it offers a blend of sophistication and comfort that makes it one of the most desirable properties in the state. The mansion features 5 generously sized bedrooms and 9 impeccably designed bathrooms, providing plenty of space for both family and guests. Every room reflects a commitment to elegance, with high-end finishes and thoughtful details that elevate the living experience. From the expansive layouts to the beautiful interiors, this home is designed for those who appreciate the finer things in life. What sets this property apart are its state-of-the-art amenities. Whether it's high-tech systems for convenience or luxurious features for relaxation, this home has it all. The elegant architectural design ties everything together, creating a space that feels both grand and inviting. It's the perfect balance of modern innovation and timeless beauty. 5. 3 Briarwood Court, Houston, Texas. Number 5 on our list is the prestigious estate at 3 Briarwood Court in Houston, Texas. Priced at $27.5 million, this grand residence combines timeless elegance with modern luxury. Situated in one of Houston's most sought-after neighborhoods, it's the perfect blend of sophistication and exclusivity, offering a home that truly stands out. This stunning property spans 15,791 square feet and features 4 beautifully designed bedrooms and 8 luxurious bathrooms. Every corner of this home is crafted with care, from the lavish interiors to the seamless flow of its layout. The attention to detail is evident in every room, creating a living space that feels both warm and refined. The outdoor areas are equally impressive, with meticulously landscaped grounds that elevate the property's beauty. Whether you're hosting an outdoor event or simply enjoying the tranquility of the surroundings, the estate offers a serene escape from the hustle of daily life. It's a perfect setting for those who value both style and privacy. Or 10777 Strait Ellen, Dallas, Texas. Number 4 on our list is the magnificent estate at 10777 Strait Ellen in Dallas, Texas. Priced at $40 million, this property is a shining example of opulence and elegance. With its expansive layout and exquisite design details, this home is built for those who appreciate the finer things in life. It's a residence that truly sets a standard for luxury living in Dallas. Spanning an impressive 17,679 square feet, this estate features 6 spacious bedrooms and 9 beautifully appointed bathrooms. Each room is a testament to thoughtful design, offering comfort and sophistication in equal measure. From the grand living spaces to the more intimate corners, every inch of this home is designed to make an impression. The amenities are nothing short of luxurious, elevating the property to a class of its own. Whether it's the state-of-the-art features or the attention to every small detail, this estate epitomizes what it means to live in grandeur. The combination of elegance and functionality ensures that this home is as practical as it is stunning. 3. Three Creeks Ranch, Fredericksburg, Texas. Number 3 on our list is the extraordinary Three Creeks Ranch in Fredericksburg, Texas. Priced at $42.5 million, this expansive 900-acre property offers a unique blend of luxury and natural beauty. With its restored 19th century homes and stunning natural features, it's a one-of-a-kind retreat that brings together history, elegance, and the great outdoors. This ranch is more than just a home, it's an experience. The restored 19th century homes on the property add a touch of historical charm while offering all the modern comforts of luxury living. Each home is a masterpiece in itself, showcasing timeless craftsmanship alongside contemporary amenities. It's a perfect harmony of old and new. What makes Three Creeks Ranch truly special is its connection to nature. The property features exotic wildlife, scenic creeks, and tranquil ponds, creating an environment that feels like a private oasis. Whether you're exploring the land, relaxing by the water, or simply enjoying the views, this ranch offers a sense of peace and serenity that's hard to find. 2. 5619 Walnut Hill Inn, Dallas, Texas. Number 2 on our list is the magnificent estate at 5619 Walnut Hill Inn in Dallas, Texas. Priced at $60 million, this sprawling Preston Hollow property is a true showcase of luxury and grandeur. With over 25,000 square feet of living space, this estate offers everything you could ever dream of in a home, and then some. The estate features 9 opulent bedrooms, each designed to provide maximum comfort and elegance. Multiple living areas create a perfect balance between functionality and luxury, ensuring every corner of the home is both welcoming and stylish. From hosting lavish gatherings to enjoying cozy family moments, this estate caters to every need. But the amenities are what truly set this property apart. A wine cellar for the connoisseurs, a home theater for movie nights, and expansive outdoor spaces featuring a sparkling pool and a professional-grade tennis court make this estate a haven for entertainment and relaxation. It's a property that combines the best of indoor and outdoor living, creating a space where every day feels special. 107 Timberwood Lawn, Houston, Texas. Number 1 on our list is the breathtaking estate at 107 Timberwolf Lawn in Houston, Texas. Priced at $50 million, this custom-built masterpiece sits on a private peninsula, making it one of the most exclusive properties in the state. With its sprawling 22,000 square feet of luxurious living space, this home redefines elegance and privacy. Every inch of this estate has been meticulously designed to create a seamless blend of sophistication and comfort. The expansive layout is complemented by state-of-the-art amenities, ensuring that every need is met with the highest standard of luxury. From the grand interiors to the cutting-edge features, this home offers a lifestyle that is truly unparalleled. What sets this property apart is its location. The private peninsula ensures that you're surrounded by natural beauty while enjoying complete seclusion. It's a serene escape from the outside world, providing a peaceful sanctuary without compromising on convenience or style. This combination of privacy and opulence is rare, making this estate a true gem. And that concludes part 2 of Inside the Billionaire Lifestyle, Texas's most extravagant homes. We hope you found a property that matches your style or ignited your imagination. If you enjoyed this journey through Texas's finest homes, don't forget to like this video, share it with others, and let us know your favorite property in the comments. If you're new to Luxo-Life, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next luxurious adventure, Luxo lovers.